Hi, this is Mr. Manley. In this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of examples of finding the equation of a line. In the first case here, I'm going to say that I'm given the graph of the line, and let's say I want to find the equation of the line. And here, what I need to do is I need to look and I need to find 2 points. So I'm going to have to give myself a scale here. We'll say that this is 1 and that's 1. And then, so I need to look at 2 precise points. Like, looks like I've got one, like maybe here, right there. And that would be at -1, -4. And then, where else have I got one? Looks like I've got one, like maybe here, and that's at 4, and then 7. And that's it. Once you've got 2 points, you can find a line, right? What the form of the line that I always like to use, the point slope form, and then if I need to convert it to some other form, I always can. So here, the slope is going to be change in y over the change in x. So that's 11 over 5. And then I can use either point as my point. So I'll just take the 4, 7. So it's y minus 7 equals 11 over 5 times x minus 4. And then maybe I'm asked for the slope-intercept form. And if that's the case, then I can make that conversion, right? I can expand this by distributing. All right. And then there's a fraction, which you probably don't like working with, but sometimes you have to. So when I add 7, I get a common denominator by doing 5 over 5. And I get whatever that is, minus 44 plus 35 minus 9 over 5. And that's it. So that's finding the equation of a line given the graph. All right, and then here's another case where I'm given a couple of points here with function notation. But we can just automatically interpret these as this, right? That I've got point -10, -5, and I've got point -6, 3. And find the equation through those 2 points, the equation of the line through those 2 points. I simply am going to do the slope, change in y. So let's do 3 minus -5 over change in x, -6 minus -10. So what do I get? 8 over 4. Well, that's convenient, right? 8 over 4 is 2. And then again, I can go to this point slope form of the line. Y minus, and let's go y minus 3. Slope, x minus the -6. Okay, and then again, say I want to put it in the slope-intercept form. So it'll be 2x, and then what is that? That's plus 12, right? Minus -6 is plus 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. And add the 3, and that's it. 2x plus 15, and I've got the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. And then these 2 points, they could be given in any way, right? They could be, we could give the point like that, we could give the point like that. It could be given in a table of values, right? You could go x, f of x, and I'd have negative 10, negative 5, negative 6, 3. It's all the same, just a different form. So that is finding the equation of a line, given information about the line, either with a point or with a line.